guys, today gagawa tayo ng 닭도리탕. So, this is the chicken. Hugasan natin. Get some water first. Let's boil the chicken for 10 minutes. So medium the heat. Okay. Now, while we are boiling, let's cut the carrots, potatoes, and onions. Let's start with the onions. Next, potatoes. Yeah. Now let's check. Yan. The reason why we boil it first, guys, to get rid of the fats. So let's make the heat higher. to make it a little bit faster. There. And cover again. Now these are what we slice: the potatoes, onions, and carrots. Let's wait more for the chicken to be boiled. Now the chicken is already boiled, so we have to wash. Okay, let it drain, set aside, and let's make the sauce. Now for the sauce, first soy sauce. Let's add more. Then the chili paste. Next, chili powder, 1.5. Garlic, minced garlic, 1 spoon. Ginger, 1 spoon. Small size of spoon. Black pepper. Stir it. Now here's the sauce. Let's turn it on. Let's put the chicken back. I wash my hand, guys. Still hot, a little bit hot. Then stir fry it for almost 20 to 30 minutes. Let's lower the heat. Wait a minute, I have to stir it properly. There you go. Now let's put the carrots. Oh, potato. Then the carrots. Then the onions. Stir it again. Again, I have to stir it. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add green peppers. So I have here 1. Now let's add water. I think just a little bit more. That's it. Then cover it. And let's wait for 20 minutes maybe. It's up to you. Of course, if the potatoes and carrots are already cooked, so that's the time it's cooked. And the chicken, since we already boiled it, maybe we can only boil it for a little bit more, not too long. Okay, let's wait. Now let's check. There you go. It's boiling. Let's add green onions. Not all, just that amount. Then stir it. Now guys, in terms of the sauce, I didn't give you the exact information about the sauce for how many tablespoons, like that, because sometimes it depends on the chicken. If the chicken is bigger, so you need to add more sauce. So it's up to you guys. If you want strong or spicier, you can add more chili paste or chili powder. Okay. Cover again and wait more. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the rice syrup on the sauce or the oligodang. This one, cooking oil, oligo syrup or rice syrup. Let's put it guys, because I tasted it and it's kind of a little bit salty. So this one can blend, because this one is a little bit sweet. Yes, so let's put like that and stir again. Well, it's not too late. Okay. Another information guys, if you don't have oligodang or rice syrup in your house, maybe you can add sugar instead of oligodang. Okay. The carrots and potatoes are still a little bit hard, so let's wait more. Ta-da! After 30 minutes boiling. There. Let me check the carrots. Okay. Okay, it's already cooked. It's finished guys. Thank you for watching and bye.